Hey there, visibility hackers. Welcome back to another episode of Visibility Hacking Radio, where we talk about all things content creation and marketing. Today we're diving into a topic I'm really excited about: golden nuggets.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
We've been talking about repurposing content over the last few weeks. Insert a shameless plug promoting the Visibility Hackers Facebook group, which you all should come join us for, by the way. But we've been talking about repurposing content, and it all starts by planning what we call golden nuggets. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth are golden nuggets? Well, I'm not talking about the ones that you find in a gold mine or a treasure chest. Instead, I'm referring to those key moments and takeaways from your long-form content, like blog posts and videos and your podcast episodes, that can be repurposed into bite-sized content for your audience to consume. Why are golden nuggets so important, you ask? Well, they're an incredibly powerful way to maximize the reach and impact of your content strategy. By identifying and incorporating these golden nuggets into your main stage content, you can create engaging, shareable content that drives traffic and reinforces your key messages. Now, let me share a few tips on how to effectively plan and utilize these golden nuggets. First, identify key moments and takeaways. Before creating your long-form content, take a moment to brainstorm the main points or takeaways that you want your audience to remember. Make a list of these key moments so that you can intentionally incorporate them into your content. You can also create content with repurposing in mind. As you're developing your main stage content, be intentional about weaving in those golden nuggets. This will make it much easier to edit and repurpose them later on. You can also repurpose your golden nuggets. Once you've finished creating that main stage content, it's now time to transform your golden nuggets into bite-sized pieces. Edit these nuggets into standalone content such as social media posts, quote graphics, or short-form video clips, making sure to maintain a consistent style and tone across all the platforms that you're on. Then distribute your golden nuggets. With your repurposed content ready to share, strategically distribute your golden nuggets across your marketing channels. Include a call to action or link back to your main stage content, encouraging your audience to engage with the full piece. So there you have it, folks. Golden nuggets are truly a game changer when it comes to content creation and marketing. Start planning for these valuable insights today and unlock the full potential of your content strategy. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's episode, and I hope that you've gained some valuable insights on how to harness the power of golden nuggets in your content strategy. Until next time, be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.